Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's ramen. First, let's focus on the heart of any great ramen, the broth. Chef Ramsay emphasizes a deeply flavorful, often pork or chicken-based broth, simmered for many hours. You'll want to extract every ounce of flavor from your bones and aromatics, creating a rich, complex foundation. This slow cooking process is crucial for developing that signature umami depth, making your ramen truly stand out. Next, we move to the noodles and the essential tear. Select excellent quality ramen noodles, whether fresh or dried, and cook them precisely for about 2 to 3 minutes until perfectly al dente. Overcooked noodles can ruin the texture. The tear is a concentrated seasoning, often soy sauce or miso-based, added to the bowl before the broth. It's a small but mighty component, delivering a powerful punch of flavor that elevates the entire dish. Now for the exciting part, the toppings and assembly. Chef Ramsay's ramen often features tender, slow-cooked chashu pork, perfectly marinated soft-boiled eggs, and vibrant green scallions. Don't forget nori seaweed and bamboo shoots for added texture and flavor. A final drizzle of chili oil can introduce a delightful kick. Arrange these components artfully in your bowl. Presentation is key to enhancing the dining experience, making each spoonful a delight. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touches and serving. It's crucial that all your components, especially the broth and noodles, are piping hot when you combine them. Before serving, always taste your ramen and adjust the seasoning as needed. Perhaps a tiny pinch of salt or a dash more soy sauce. Serve your masterpiece immediately to fully appreciate the fresh, vibrant flavors and textures. Enjoy your incredible homemade Gordon Ramsay-style ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.